Johnny Quick with Quick Cars. We got the white Camaro up there. Don't really like the sound of this old exhaust system. So Hawks got together with the GMMG registry and recreated the chambered exhaust system that came in all these GMMG cars, like the Blackbird we have there. So we're going to change out this exhaust with the Hawks kit, and then we're going to go ahead and put our CME tips back on. Close up of the GMMG exhaust. One of the first to get it from Bruce. Look forward to getting it put on. Looks like it's pretty nice construction. Got the GMMG and Hawks Motorsports little plate welded on there. So stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, Hawks sends this nice little intermediate pipe here that helps go over the axle. But we already have an O2 bung welded and drilled into this one, and since it's the same, we're just going to go ahead and use our original one from the other exhaust. It's nice pipe, really nice piece.